So guys, this is exactly what 30,000 naira can get you in a government hospital. So guys, your this is exactly what your 30,000 naira, or should I say 35,000 naira, can get you in a typical Nigerian market. These are the baby things I got. Remember, I said I wasn't going to buy any baby clothes. I'm going to manage the old ones I have, and later I'll go thrift shopping. So here we have morning fresh, and this morning fresh is a requirement if you are giving birth in a typical government hospital. This is called Macintosh. Is a leather, and it's 2 yards here, and this is underlay pad. It is underlay pad. It is used to prevent bleeding. Instead of your wrapper getting soaked with blood, you use this to cover up for that. So this is a cotton wool hypo. All these are hospital requirements. This is pad for after delivery, and it's very, very important to have that. If not, they won't attend to you. And this also is okay. This is spirit, very necessary. So I have spirit there, and I have this disposable pants. It is 5 in 1. It's very necessary too, because I don't think anyone will be willing to wash a blood soaked pants. That was why I got that, not for anything. So this is hand glove. It's also a requirement in a government hospital, something you need to buy. Some hospital will require the elbow length hand glove. That is Savalon antiseptic. Though they wrote Ditto, but when I went to get it, they asked me if it was for a baby, and that if it's going to be for my own personal use, that Ditto is going to be too harsh for the baby. So this is the baby sponge I got here. That is Goya extra oil. If you have seen my market vlog where I went baby things shopping, you will see that it is not original. They said it is very hard to get the original from the market these days. So guys, this is a set of stockings. That is like the only baby thing I got. And this is a wrapper. I got 2 pair of it. I got wrapper because I need to go to the hospital with 2. That is what is in my hospital list. So I got 2 pair of it. The one I will use at home and the one I will take to the hospital. Some of them I get stain, but I'm sure you'll come back with it. So this is mentor. This is cotton wool, and this soap, I'm praying and hoping that it is one it is just exactly like the one I got for my first baby, because that one was excellent. I really loved it. This is Pampers, and that is wipes. So inside here I have this small cute baby bed that I got from the market. I didn't want to buy anything baby bed, but just to create that demarcation, or just to show that you're having a new baby, I just got one, and this is my set of baby baths. Yeah, that is basically everything I got for this baby, nothing more. And I know that I still need a lot more, but those things are things that will be necessary. So I don't want to make my first mistake of getting what I wouldn't use. So everything I'm going to get later is what I'm going to necessarily, or most definitely need. So even if I'm getting a breast pump, I will know my schedule and what I'm doing before I get that. Even if I'm getting